Parts of northern Japan have been gripped by a deep freeze and continuous snowstorms in recent weeks, leading to incredible snowfall amounts that crushed buildings and crippled cities. This house collapse was one of many that resulted from the weight of the accumulated snow. Since January 20th, there have been at least 35 deaths linked to the harsh winter conditions, with some blamed on the collapsing buildings, and many others related to attempts to clear snow off of rooftops. In the city of Aomori, totals reached more than 165 centimeters, the most since 1945, while the city of Uonuma measured a depth of more than 270 centimeters, double the normal amount in a typical winter. Officials asked residents to begin clearing snow from the roads as their plows couldn't keep up, and the army was even deployed to speed up the snow removal process. Spring-like temperatures following the storms have since increased hazards in the area, including a heightened risk of snow falling from buildings and landslides.